Okay, here we go. So we got Blazin Banana spray wax, natural Carnauba spray gloss. So we're gonna skip over this first paragraph here. This first paragraph is a bunch of fluff talking about the product. Directions: shake well, shake product well. Mix a thin coat, working one panel or area at a time. For best results, spread in a thin, even coat using a quality microfiber towel or applicator pad. Flip towel and then clean surface and buff for a streak-free finish. Use after washes to maintain sealant and wax coat. Okay, got a lot of warnings on here. So harmful if swallowed, avoid eye contact, do not breathe vapors, only in a well-ventilated area. Do not swallow. First aid if swallowed. Do not induce vomiting. Immediately call a doctor or a poison control center. Eyes for eye contact, rinse thoroughly with water for 15 minutes. Remove contact lenses if present. After first 5 minutes, if irritation persists, call a doctor in case of eye contact with skin. Wash thoroughly with soap and water. If irritation persists, call a doctor. If inhaled or vapors bother you, move to fresh air. If irritation persists, if irritation persists for any exposures, call a doctor. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, so it's got some warnings on here. Can expose you to ethanol alcohol, which is known in the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. More information, go to p65warningsca.gov. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Bottle is pretty easy to handle here. What I'm going to do, it says spray. That's a stream. I'm going to go ahead and apply like so. And set that up there. And get this clean microfiber towel. Pull the tag off. Fold it. And going to spread it around. Then going to take the towel and just simply flip it to the dry side and then wipe off any excess. As you can see, product looks great, looks fantastic, very, very easy to use, awesome results. As you can see, pretty cool reflections, beautiful reflections. So this is Chemical Guys Blazin Banana spray wax. So hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.